Indian troops, in their latest act of state terrorism, martyred a Kashmiri youth in the Kupwara district today. The youth was martyred by the troops during a violent operation in the Chachaldar area of the district. An Indian police official talking to the media claimed that the youth was killed in an encounter with the Indian troops during a search operation in the area. A fake news watchdog has uncovered the Indian media's link with the UN designated terrorist organization Balochistan Liberation Army, exposing how the Indian outlets have been using fake videos as a breaking news to publish the anti Pakistan narrative. The revelation has confirmed the long standing notion that the Indian media serves as a propaganda tool for the anti Pakistan elements, disregarding the journalistic integrity and the international laws. All Parties Hurriyat Conference has said that India is attempting to suppress the Kashmiris' legitimate struggle for their right to self-determination through the military force, but it will never succeed in its sinister designs. APSC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said that India's continued occupation, injustice against the oppressed people of the Kashmir, illegal detentions of the Hurriyat leaders, and the gross human rights violations by the Indian forces have escalated tensions in the South Asian region. Civil society organizations have expressed serious concern over the growing exploitation of the highly qualified Kashmiri youth in the territory. Jammu and Kashmir Civil Society Forum and Jammu and Kashmir Pensioners United Front, in their statements in Srinagar, demanded end to this exploitation. This Ramzan witnessed around a 50% decline in the number of the pilgrims undertaking Umrah from occupied Kashmir, with the travel operators citing rising poverty as the primary factor. The sharp declines exposes the hollow claims of the Modi-led Indian regime about the so-called development and progress in the territory after the revocation of Article 370 in 2019.